Impact detection. Out of these two units, only the Vueroid dash camera has it. And 2 seconds after impact, it'll wake up and start recording. The Viofo A229 Pro does not have this option. It does have impact detection in time-lapse, motion detection, and low bit rate, though. Okay, so now that we know the Viofo A229 Pro does not have an impact-only parking mode, let's see how the Vueroid does compared to other products that are on the market with this option. So the Thinkware U3000 takes 1 second after impact to wake up and start recording, while the Vueroid takes 2 seconds, as you've seen in the video right there. So we actually do this test again just to verify, and as you can see, boom, Thinkware U3000, 1 second, and the Vueroid D21 4K is 2 seconds. So let's see how it does to some other products also that have this option. So let's see how it does to the Vantrue N4 Pro. So as you can see, we just made an impact, and it's going to take around 12 or 13 seconds for this thing to wake up. So if a vehicle actually backs into you, it's going to be 12 to 13 seconds. I mean, they could easily make a quick getaway, which means that dash camera is going to be rendered useless in the impact detection mode. So we also found out there was a quick impact detection mode from Vantrue as well. So here we go. We're going to try this, and boom, impact, and 6 seconds later is when the Vantrue N4 Pro actually wakes up. But in order for them to actually do this and come up with the actual quick impact detection, they have to increase their current draw quite drastically. They go from about 10 milliamps to about 110 milliamps. So it's 11 times the amount of current draw that they had before. But here's the thing that's weird, is if you actually look at the actual Vueroid, the Vueroid is drawing 2 milliamps of current. 2 milliamps of current in 2 seconds. The Thinkware is drawing 7 milliamps of current, and it's waking up in 1 second. And in order to get the Vantrue to wake up in 6 seconds, it's 110 milliamps of current. It doesn't really seem to make sense, right? So the least amount of wear and tear on your vehicle is going to be the Thinkware or the Vueroid. Either way, this is more of a comparison of showing you the options between the Vueroid and the actual Viofo. But we really wanted to hammer home and make you understand what the differences in impact detection were for parking mode.